Every day, hundreds of people walk past this construction area in Wascana Park. It's next to the Albert Street Bridge, where a storm water pipe broke 2 years ago.
Honestly, I didn't really know what was going on. I figured there was something to do with the water system, but it's been taking a while.
The pipe break was discovered when a sinkhole appeared in a backyard on the other side of the bridge. The pumps are a temporary solution to move storm water into Wascana Creek. The city had hoped to begin repairs this summer, but in a written statement says, "We anticipate construction will begin in 2026. The temporary pumps provide essential stormwater service to a large portion of the downtown area."
I don't know how long it's going to take for them to finish this, but it could be another situation where it could take 2 years, just like Dudney Avenue. So it's an eyesore for sure. And I'm not sure how safe it is. Yeah, there's a little fence here and there, but I just wish they'd get this done as soon as possible.
The city says it is spending $600,000 annually on the pumping equipment. Earlier estimates placed repairs at $15 million. City officials were not available to provide further details about the repair plan. Wayne Mantyka, CTV News, Regina.